Everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine and the screen is also visible to everyone along with the video. Is it yes or no? Chalo, then we'll start off with today's class. I hope you all have copied basic proportionality theorem and converse of BPT given in the past 2 days. I did not give a lot of work, but still you had to copy that thing. Now you'll have to copy this thing too. Please copy this thing. Criteria for similarity of the triangles. AAA criteria. Just a moment. Now in class 9 also you have come across this word corollary. What is this? Can anybody tell me? Anyone? You can tell what is the meaning of corollary? Please try it out. No one. Something which is derived from a proven fact. Okay, from AAA we can also write AA similarity. Clear? Corollary is something which is derived from a for certain fact or proven fact. Over here we had AAA called similarity criterion. We can use AA also as a similarity criteria. SSS and SAS, these are the four required criteria for proving two triangles are similar. Clear? So the result of the similar triangles based on the similar criteria is ratio of the corresponding side equals to ratio of the corresponding perimeters, ratio of the corresponding sides, ratio of the corresponding medians, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal to ratio of corresponding altitudes, ratio of the corresponding sides is equals to ratio of the angle bisector segments. Is it clear? Please copy all of these points one by one exactly. Now ask me if you have any doubts in this. This criteria will be using to prove two triangles are similar, and after similar we might have any four of these conditions. Please copy it down. I'll pause the video for you everyone. I'll record this thing. See, in triangles we have three sides. Clear? That is why we require three criterions to prove the congruency or the similarity. But in circle, what do we have? We have only one thing, which is radius 1, let's say, and radius 2. No else things are required to draw a circle. Now don't say, sir, we require a compass also to draw a circle. And that is not a criteria. Now, if we require only one thing, so if this is proportional to this, now you'll say, sir, how proportional? We have to compare it with someone there. That is why we directly say that two circles are always similar. Always. Okay? The proportionality might be different. It might be 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, whatever. Clear? So indirectly we can always say that two circles are similar because you have nothing to compare with. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let me know if everything is copied or not. We'll move on to a different one. Can we not move to a new numerical today? I hope people have copied this thing. We'll move on to numericals out here. Can anybody tell me what does BPT says, basic proportionality theorem? Yes. Anyone can throw some light on it? What does BPT mean? I'll refresh your brain a bit. ABC is a triangle. DE is parallel to AC. Yeah, DE is parallel to BC. What can we say from here? Yes, videos were given yesterday. This by this side will be equals to AE by EC. Clear? AB by DB equals AE by EC. I hope no problem is out here. Make sure you do the proof properly. Sometimes the proof itself comes for 4 marks in your exams. You'll not get a numerical and all, you'll directly get the proof. Clear?
Sir, can you show the last point in that ratio of corresponding sides?
Last one might be the angles. Yeah, angle bisector.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Can we do this numerical? Ones part 1. Very simple. They have already told that DE by BC is equals to DE is parallel to BC. So I'll just show you the first numerical how it needs to be proven. You'll have to write given part, then you'll have to write therefore as we have written out here using basic proportionality theorem. Now you'll have to substitute the values and then get the answer. Exactly this thing has to be mentioned. Please copy it down exactly, and I would expect you to do the second part or the first one. Second one, I'm waiting for the answer. Second one, answer in the chat box. 2.4 centimeter. I would go with that. Very good, Bodhisattva Datta. Make sure figures, people do draw the figures with each and every numerical, and make sure the figures are not freehand. Clear? Can we move on to the different numerical? Question number 2. Is everybody done with this? AD equals to 24. It's the same theorem. AD by DB equals to AE by EC. I hope there is no issues with this. Does anybody has any problem with this? Please let me know now. 2.4. Yes, 2.4 is the answer. Anantajit, very good. Can you move on to a different numerical now? If people are done with this, please tell me yes or no first.
Yes, sir.
Who else? Four, four, four. I've already answered. Okay then. Snehashi is done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Harry, Trideep, Ankit, to speak up now. Question number 2. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. This is our triangle PQR. This are the points E and F. Is it clear? EF is parallel to QR. Is it clear? First part, it says that PE is 3.9, EQ is 3, PF is 6, sorry, 3.6, and FR is 2.4. Just they haven't given this. You have to prove that whether EF is parallel to QR. Okay, over here we'll have to use converse of basic proportionality theorem. Clear? Where if the sides are proportional, we can say that it is parallel. So if we have out here PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. If we get this condition, we say that the lines are parallel, elsewise the lines are not parallel. I hope people have understood this, how to do this. And the reason when you write this, we'll say converse of basic proportionality theorem. Similarly, this you have to do it now. I'll pause the video for you all to try it down. I hope people have understood this numerical properly. Please confirm yes or no. Converse of BPT yesterday was also it was given. So I'm pausing the video, kindly hurry up.
It's not parallel to keyboard.
Very good. The first one will say that EF is not parallel to QR because of the fact that they are not proportional. Clear? Move on to the second one now. Make sure you draw figures for each and every one.
So second one is proportional.
Second one is proportional. What is the proportionality? Is it 1 by 2 or how much?
8 by 9. Yes, sir.
8 by 9. Very good. Second one will again draw the figure and you'll say that it's proportional, therefore we can say it's parallel. Third one, proportional. What is the constant value, proportionality value? 9 by 9 by how much? 55. How many are getting this? Very good. 9 by 55. We'll simply say that it's parallel to EF is parallel to QR. How many have got each and every answers for this numerical? Absolutely correct. Done? Please confirm. All the numericals done? Question number 2 and 1. Any doubts? Question number 3 and question number 4 will be your homework for today. Now tell me one thing, that how many have totally understood converse of BPT and basic proportionality theorem? Is there anyone in the class who has a problem in converse of BPT and basic proportionality theorem? Anyone? Question number 3, go through this. Ask me if you feel that you have a problem in this numerical. I'll